Hello, friends. Welcome back to another session of my crypto predictions. Today is the 10th of September. So it's going to be kind of a short video because I got delayed by some stuff and I need to work. I still need to work on a lot of things. So I'm kind of busy right now and it's going really well. It's a surprise that I have for you, but it's going really well. Anyways, so let's keep going with these predictions. And first off, let's go back to the image. So remember, I usually present these charts within TradingView. However, I would deleted them because I need to work on some tests, another way of predict a prediction in the future, and it's basically another strategy that I'm developing. So we were expecting red days for yesterday, the 8th and the 7th. Okay, if we go back to the prediction, we'll notice that the 7 was a complete range day, very volatile, but the others were fully in green. Now, obviously, this is the 1 day chart. You're used to seeing me cover these predictions in the 30-minute chart. So obviously, it's going to look different. Some days will be actually in red. I believe the 8 or the 9. I forgot which one of the two. For example, right now the candle is on the 11th of September, which it's obviously not the case, at least in my time zone, so it obviously will vary. But what I'm trying to do is show you the model. This is the indicator that I built. The zones that you see highlighted both in purple or violet, whatever, and in light sky blue or teal. So what we can see is that the model anticipated green days from the very start of this week, even before, right? As you can see on the 7th. Okay. So we got them on the red, but the model anticipated them on the green. So this is a very powerful combo that I have been developing over the past days. Ever since I made this indicator, I've been trying to test it very briefly because still, guys, I'm very busy. I'm in the basically on the cusp of developing the sports pattern, a sports model that can help me with the predictions, and it's going extremely well, extreme accuracy. You'll see, actually, if you go to my sports channel on this week, I mean on the last week, I got a perfect round, 5 out of 5 games, a clean parlay. This is very good, and only going to get better. So I'm even going to cover some NFL games very soon. So if you want or are interested in that sports stuff, you can also watch the other channel. It's going to get very well. But like I said, I'm still working on it. So once I get finished with that project, you'll see me use this way more and do different styles of trading and maybe start doing some signals, some very clean signals. Okay, this is something that I'm going to test first by myself when I have the time after I finish the sports model. But it's going to be possibly a feature that will live stream sometimes. So, like I told you, look at this very clear signal. Now, this is a model which basically takes all trends. So if you can see, the uptrend has not even changed since the 2nd of September. So all of these days were in green, which again, it really goes well with my predictions because we got it the second, right? We got the green on the 2nd of September, just like you are seeing right there. But the other days were either in red or in yellow. Like for example, 4, 5, 6, we had no idea what was going to happen. But the model actually predicted all of this. And again, very volatile days. For example, on the 6th, we got a red candle, so the price went down on that day. And on the 7th, again, very strong volatility going also downwards. But the model keeps the trend unchanged. Very, very amazing stuff. This is not like any other indicator that you see out there. If you see other indicators, they will have some buy and sell signals, and they will be kind of correct in some cases. There are some good indicators out there. I'm not gonna lie. I already used them before, but there nothing really comes close to this level because it's accurate prediction. It avoids us. It detects all the false signals that the prediction that I do kind of show. For example, like I told you on the 7, 8, and 9. We have many yellow days. We have no idea what's going to happen except for the red and green boxes, where we kind of have an idea of which days will be green. But there is a reason why we have this model right now, the one that I'm developing. Okay, so it's not fully finished yet, but it's already kind of operational. People already can get extreme accuracy with this model. So again, like I told you, I'll be showing this in the future, doing some live streams, whatever. I still don't have the time, have to finish the other projects, still working with my friend and his company. So you'll have to take some time and wait until this is finished and presented to the public. But it's coming, and it's coming very soon. And when it does, it will also eventually give access to all the Telegram groups that I have and Telegram signals, all of that. It's going to get really wild, guys. So, of course, this is Bitcoin. So, what we can see, according to the model, is that at the very least, we'll see some range days, but we are still in an uptrend, which kind of makes sense because the next box is the green one right there. It's 12. Yeah, the 12th and 13th of September, possibly very volatile green days, and also within a larger zone of red days around the 12th to 15th. So possibly going to be very interesting on that stuff. But yeah, guys, look at this. Even on other timelines, it's extremely good, very good. It's kind of better, in my opinion, on very long timelines, like 4 hours, 1 hour, something like that. But it's very usual. And like as you can see, I'm also testing the levels, something that many people have requested, and it's doing extremely well so far. It's extremely well, and again, it's going to be even better. So better stick for the entire month of September and don't lose any video of what I publish because it's going to get really wild, guys. There is no one else teaching you about this, showing you amazing accurate predictions, and now finally an amazing accurate indicator that I built. So that's what we got for Bitcoin. Like I told you, the levels, as you can see, current yellow line is the start of the week. So very much trading within this range, kind of going above right now. Today, it's possibly going to go maybe even higher because on the 30-minute timeline, on the time frame, we got a correction. It's kind of downtrending. But again, if we go, let's try to use the 4 hour time frame. It's on the uptrend, as you can see, for the entire day. It's going to get really good. So that's all I got for Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at the IOTA. IOTA is I don't really have the chart right there, but again, look at these levels. Very good stuff. Very accurate. Okay, of course, again, this can change according to the time frame, but overall, it's extremely accurate. Look at this range: the green zone, the red zone. Usually, I try to label this as the lowest it can go and the highest it can go. Okay, again, yellow lines are the start of the week. So again, doing really good. And finally, let me show you. I think I showed this on the last video, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show it again because this is the trading strategy that I have been developing. Like I told you, it's a different way of predicting the future, or rather, it's actually a way of using my ability to predict the future to spot the lowest and the highest positions in any kind of asset. Okay, this is Ethereum. This was made for kind of a scalping chart for an entire day of today, and you can see it's also very accurate. And when used in combination with the model, it becomes even better. For example, we got a correction possibly coming around the 4 a.m. time zone. Time. So this, let's go to that time. Okay, look at this. This is the time, the exact time around the 4 a.m. And the model, look at this. The model was signaling a strong uptrend. We got a false signal right there. It's on the 50-minute timeline. Now let's take a look at the 1 hour timeline and take a look back again at the same hour that I told you. Okay, the 4 a.m. Look at this. It was fully on an uptrend. So this was a false signal that the model detected with extreme accuracy from a very long time ago, even from yesterday. Even it was still in an uptrend. Now we got a green a box around the 6 a.m. hour. So we were expecting it to peak around these levels. And we didn't really got it on the 6, but on the 7. So very, very close. Again, especially for you, my friend Brickwall, you have asked for this. We are working on this together. So I will take the opportunity to just tell you right now that these sounds sometimes they hit on the exact same hour. Okay, for example, almost on that example on the 6 hour a.m. But other times you have to wait 30 minutes after and before to see if that trend is actually forming. Otherwise, it could be a false signal. For example, kind of another false signal, maybe, I don't know, around 7 a.m. with 40 minutes. This is the 8 a.m. So we got the correction starting around the 10 a.m. Okay, which is very close volatility, extreme volatility. That hour was extremely volatile, as you can see, going up, down, and then we got massive red candles right after. Just like I told you, 11 hours with 40 minutes. This is the 11th hour, going even lower, lower, and lower. And we got possibly another one on the 16 hours. Let's take a look. This was barely the recovery, but notice the model still had not signal a bullish uptrend or a bullish signal. It only did that around the 19 hour, which very close to these volatility signals. Again, very good at detecting false signals. For example, assume we are on the 19 hour right there. We got a red box coming. Okay, so we wait 30 minutes and the chart is already going up. And by the time we hit another hour, around the 10 hour, 20 hour, we see that the correction has not formed. So this was a false signal, and instead it's a volatile signal going upwards. So 20, look at this, another high point right there. 21 with 30 minutes. Very, very good stuff. So yeah, my friend Breakwall and other friends, this is something that you can take with a lesson. You can try to study this because this combination of my model, of my indicator, and these signals that I have been given since I started this channel are going to revolutionize the way you earn profits. It's going to be massive, guys. So just wait, be a little patient because again, I'm doing some amazing work on the sports prediction stuff. So also you can profit big time from that of my work. Okay. So that's basically all I have for you guys. I hope you are doing well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And I only ask for a subscription, like, whatever. Follow the work, and especially follow me on Twitter. It's going to be very active.